swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Say it gon' put me all in the mad with all that mad game you been talking. Oh yeah, man, that's awesome. Yeah. Show me this plan that you brought me and this cash you ain't mentioned yet, dog. I'm done with all that talking. Yeah. No, I don't do pay to play, I get paid to play. And since you're playing games to get paid from me, man, swear to God I'm walking. Yeah. I seen the type before about 100 times, trying to undermine my abilities to be killing anything I target. Yeah. You wanna be a boss with them reins? That power don't come cheap. All my life I've been moving them chains. Now you wanna love me, I see the way you think. You're all about you. And that's cool, you do you. But me, I've been doing my own thing, I swear to God. I be killing everybody, tell me if you wanna get involved. Lyrical Power that is aiming at the center of your thoughts. Yeah, they tell me everybody in my city that I'm from, they love my songs. Cool shit, saying pretty please with a cherry on top is a cool way. Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. I don't see a reason they should be hating the way that I'm making a way. They don't see all of the stress and the problems I deal with like every day. Envy will kill you and misery loves all the company that it can get. To even the odds, I wish I lived a normal life, but I'm in love with this shit. Boy, I came out like a bull and I look like I took, but I came for it. Everybody wanna aim for the head of a veteran. They made legends apparently angry that I have settled in screaming. Don't nobody let them get ahead of me. Independent rappers cannot make it to celebrity alone. They don't ever get a throne, never leave their home. You didn't even have a million views and they headed in alone. I say, huh? You don't even see the bigger picture, look behind me, see the army full of kings. That is man and mafia, the thief, that is me and me alone. You at least see my bros, I don't never miss a beat. I kill everything I'm on, every video I share my homies who didn't even know. If I ain't the greatest rapper, then I swear I'm getting close. If you really think I need you, all I gotta say is Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. I don't wanna be rude, but I don't give a damn about you one bit. And to think you used to have it all. Funny how the tables turn around. You take it from me on the internet, I know you do it. Can't believe I made it with the music. I know, probably think about me all the time. Probably think you're drowning in the sorrow.
Now I get it. Your intentions were so good. You would never do a thing like that again. But we both know that you would.
Now I don't wanna be rude, but I hope you never find another that can care for you. And I had a feeling I was wrong, but I knew that it was going down. Then you like nothing even happened when I asked you. See, but I already knew. Guess who told? Yeah, who knew? I guess you got some rats in the crew. And now I'm playing shows with the legends, hopping out the rows and I'm stepping on their toes like I ain't been this good in a second. Self-made boss and I'm firing a weapon like, man, I'm taking shots, oh yeah, for the record. I hope this song is the one I get rich from, maybe then you'll learn a lesson.
Now I get it. Your intentions were so good. You would never do a thing like that again, but we both know that you would.
Now I don't wanna be rude, but I'm putting numbers on the board. Ayy, tell them we done been off the hook ever since my phone had a cord. Ayy, pray to God I make it where I want to. I hope you do whatever that you can. I could've been the one you felt close to, but now I'll never ever be that man. I see I've already got a plan, already ahead. All about my business and I covered overhead. Cut off all the snakes and I left them off for dead. If a snake tryna rat, then I'm cutting off his head. And I've never been the type to give a damn about a hater. I don't give a damn about you neither. I would feel worse, but first things first, I'ma find a loyal woman while I sip this margarita. I skirt.
You could've had it all. Oh, you could've had it all. You know you could. Oh yeah. Yeah, you would've had it all. You would've had it all. You know you would. Yeah, you know you would.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, I to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me, then I double up again under their nose. None of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm 10 to 1 if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me, they need a blade and a sheath, a shank and a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy at sea, with ace a marine, an ace up their sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they would lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done. I think it's all fun. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Instincts going no, looking bad like a bat with an eye patch. All black through the woods with a backpack and a lit match. Spark one time, get the whole city looking like a dark shade of orange when I burn it down. What it is, what it do, whole clique getting live on the talk of the town. Lemon City had a mouth and it wouldn't shut up. On a hunt for a crown, when they get it, I'ma burn it, cause nobody in the game right now even deserve it. What I need a crown for anyway, I should have a halo the way that I made a penny turn to gold. And a penny for your thoughts, I bet a penny for your soul. You know you want the riches and the money and the fame, so take a bite of the fruit if you choose. Let the juice drip down, then it wait to a pie full of gold. In a house up on a lake, 10 holes on the grapes, new clothes, and a row full of J's and a lemon in the garage. Looking like a zoo in here, whole crew in here. What it do in here? Think I lost my mind. Loose screw in here, then I walk outside, and everybody looking at me while I got them all in my sights. picking them off, taking them out, looking like daylight in the night. And I'm killing so many if they really wanna get involved. And everybody falling from the elevator, now I'm bright rice in this. It's like I'm rice and take a bite, it's nice, and I have a nice time with it. By the time that it finds the way to the right side of him, not even a Heimlich can save him. A selective finger to you imbeciles. Tell me what's been getting into you, envy will kill you. She said I'm a gentleman, I admit a lot of women set up on my ottoman. I don't give a damn, like an auto with no time to kill. I've been feeling like the opposite of work, it's a work, and it never been a purposeful thing to me. I just do what I love and it works for me. So I'm freaking every check and put the money in the pushing. Ready to be gunning to the finish and the getting of it. But everybody know I'm working in the sea, I do it differently. So only time will give me everything that I deserve, my id. Top gone red, I made a name for myself. I can't lie, I'm doing well for my age. My dogs said they're praying on my downfall. Well, they just choosing the casket, now they souls in the grave. I'm a star right, gotta bark right. I induce pain, I am Luke Kane, makes a Bruce Wayne. I'm a dark knight, watch you stargaze. Got a hard bite, I'm a dog at the leash, better talk right. Bet I do this, not a new kid, been a student. You're a doofus, on the real if you clueless. When I shoot shit, style too crisp, and I let it all hang out like a nudist. Oh, you wanna know who I am? Oh, you wanna know me? Well, I'm the man that you knew. Now you know what it do. I'm a 94, baby, swanking like a brand new Mercedes. And I'm dapping down on my feet and my ride too clean. Wake up every morning, hand a lemon in my tea. Moral of the story is, you are you, and I am me. Just be. I'm a gentleman, now I'm settled in. Even when they said don't let them in, I said guess again. What's the way I walk into a room and everybody stare? Godfather like presence, everybody know I'm here. Stepping right into my office, pouring bearing on the rocks. Toast to the homies that gon' never see the light, and the haters that forever see my ghost. What a night, ah man. Oh, you wanna know who I am? Oh, you wanna know me? Well, I'm the man that you knew. Now you know what it do. I'm a 94, baby, swanking like a brand new Mercedes. And I'm dapping down on my feet and my ride too clean. Wake up every morning, hand a lemon in my tea. Moral of the story is, you are you, and I am me. Just be. I can't lie, I'm doing well for my dogs said they're praying on my downfall. Well, they just choosing the casket, now they souls in the souls. I'm the man that you knew. Now you know what it do. I'm a 94, baby, and I'm dapping down on my feet and my ride too clean. Wake up every morning, hand a lemon in my tea. Moral of the story is, you are you, and I am me. Just be.